Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make transparent text in CapCut. Let's begin. Making text transparent or semi-transparent in CapCut is a popular effect used to create visually appealing overlays that don't completely block the video behind them. It helps maintain the focus on the visuals while still delivering a message. So we normally do this so that we can blend well with the background, making it look more integrated with the video, which is, I find it really helpful, especially when you want the text to appear subtle but still readable. For us to be able to do that, all you have to do is open the CapCut app. And if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. If you don't, just click the new project so that you can begin from scratch and start working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. And then you see, I have created this project for my client, and I wanted to create a transparent text. For us to do that, it's kind of easy. All I have to do is click the text button on the bottom part corner. I want you to click the add a text button. So let's gonna move this for now on the top and create your text. For example, let's say transparent text. All right. Now, if you hover here on the effects or the styles, you would notice you can choose from any of the following styles right here. Your options are not limited. You can choose from any of these, say for example that. So you can be creative. All right. I'm gonna stick with this one for now, the yellowish, and then you can, of course, you have the option to make it bigger depending on your preferences. Once you've done that, you see there is like an option here that says opacity. I want you to slide it to the left to make it like kind of like transparent. It's kind of easy. Click the check button, and now if you play the text alongside with the video right here, you have created a transparent text right here. Move it along to the video to create a cohesive effects that you wanted. If you're not happy with the text, all you have to do is click on it again. You see there is an option here. Go to styles and then turn on the opacity if you want it, depending on your preferences as well. Click the apply button if you're happy with that. With the effects that you have created, all you have to do now is go to the export button on the top corner and send it to your client, or maybe create a copy of it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.